Hey guys, what's happening? How to restore GoogleOne backup. So you can open up your storage at the bottom middle and make sure that your sync data or your device that the device you synced your data with are on or is on, excuse me, right? So you're gonna go ahead and see that if you clicked iPhone or Android in your case, you're gonna check if your contacts, calendars, photos, and videos are synced. That way you're gonna be able to restore the GoogleOne backup. If it didn't and you lost your data and you want to, get it back, what you can do, you can just go ahead and hit your profile icon at the top right, hit manage your Google account under your email, and you're gonna find data and privacy. Just press it, scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find the button that says download your data. You're gonna move on and press download your data, right? And you're gonna get a copy of your data, like messages and everything, basically, ensuring both devices use the same account and compatible device version, right? If you are restoring, if you are using GoogleOne on a different device, basically, right? But if you're trying to just take it back, you can do just the same steps that I'm showing you right now, right? And just download your activity across Google, and you're gonna be able to just get the messages of all that stuff and apps and all that stuff. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.